Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Well, it's going to be a lot of it different. We're going to go over, I know it's like how many days? 15 days into the new year, but it's okay because we're going to go over our vision board. I'm going to go over the one last year because we're going to see if we accomplished anything from last year that we put on the vision board in 2017. Because I did the vision board for New Year's for 2018, like going into 2018. So we're going to see if any of my visions came true that I put on the vision board. And we're going to talk about new visions that we want to accomplish for this year. Join me with your arts and crafts. Like get your pens, your poster board, get your magazines, get any printouts that you printed out and come to discuss. We're just going to do arts and crafts together. Even though mine is already finished, definitely watch my video as you're creating your vision board because you can get a lot of inspo from what I'm about to show you. Okay, this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. This is my vision board. Yes, I'm very extra. I decided to get it framed. And this is the one I made in 2018. As you can see, it says 2018 right in the center. And I got this board or this frame from Michael's. It was super cheap, y'all, because you know during Christmas they be having sales. Okay, so if you ever want to get anything on sale, go during any holiday because you'll get it for super cheap. I think I got this frame for like $6.99. Okay, we typically make vision boards just to have goals in mind that we want to set for the new year. You have to basically, what is it called? Manifest your dreams. Like, whether it's writing it down, creating a vision board, praying about it, saying it out loud, like being stern with your goals and your dreams that you want to accomplish. Don't get like discouraged or second guess yourself when people try to, say, you can't do this and you can't do that. Girl, you can do what, girl or boy. Okay, we're not going to discriminate, okay? Because I'm pretty sure I have guys and girls watch my channel, okay? So you can do whatever you want in life. So we're going to go over each section of the vision board for my vision board that I put in 2018. And we're going to see what I accomplished for each section. So the first section that I have is I put believe in the center. But I have like 100% commitment. So basically with 100, this board is so freaking big, y'all. Basically what I meant for 100% commitment is I wanted to have consistency throughout 2018 with posting on time and always having a video for y'all, and I definitely accomplished that. Y'all, I had 56 videos last year, okay, and I had 210 posts. So I definitely did or had 100% commitment through YouTube and Instagram. I don't really use Snapchat anymore. I don't really have a lot of friends on Snapchat. I do have a Snapchat, so if you definitely want to follow me, I'll put what my Snapchat handle is like right in here somewhere. I did want to be present on all social media. Twitter is complicated, okay? I can't, look, me and Twitter are going to have a heart-to-heart because I don't really understand Twitter. I never did back then. And I also put purpose on here. Just make sure you're walking in your purpose, y'all. Like, I remember throughout 2017 and 2018, that's when, in 2017, this is when I officially stopped school. Like, I had got my bachelor's and master's and did supervised practice. If you don't know already, I went to Georgia State University, okay? I got my bachelor's and master's in nutrition, and I did supervised practice to become a registered dietitian. I took the exam and everything and became a registered dietitian. When I tell you I was applying for jobs constantly, nobody was hiring me. And I was just so like discouraged and confused as to why. Like, I went through all this school and my GPA was bomb. Okay, I got a 3.85, during my bachelor's and a 4.02 during my master's, okay? My GPA was bomb. I'm smart. I'm smart, y'all. I'm smart. I'm like, what is going on? Like, I went through all this school. Like, somebody gonna hire me. And that's when I realized that nutrition wasn't my main purpose. Makeup was my main purpose because makeup was always something I can fall back on. But when makeup started taking the forefront, I was so scared to tell people, like, yeah, I'm a makeup artist. Like, yeah, I do makeup full time. Like, because they would always ask me, like, especially when I get new clients, they always ask me, like, you know, so what school did you go to? Like, what did you major in? And it's like, okay, I tell them and they ask me why I'm not practicing. And I would just have to make up some lie, like, oh, you know, I'm in between jobs. But now, if you ask me today, I will say I do makeup full time. I'm a YouTuber. I have no problem saying that. I now have the confidence. Well, I had it in 2018, but in the middle of 2018, I didn't. And I think that's when I didn't get my certification in makeup. Like, I never called myself a makeup artist. I just said I did makeup because I always felt like people go to school to be a makeup artist. I didn't go to school. I'm self-taught, okay? I was so scared. So I would always just tell people, like, yeah, I just do makeup. Like, I don't consider myself a makeup artist, but now I consider myself a freelance makeup artist that I'm a YouTuber, okay? If you ask me today, I will confidently tell you, yes, I do makeup full time and I do YouTube. People aren't going to understand your career and what you do, and that's perfectly okay. As long as you understand it and you have the drive and commitment to fulfill your career or whatever you do in life, that's all that matters. So definitely walk in your purpose because you only have one life to live. Literally one life to live. And now that I think about it, I probably would have been so miserable sitting at a desk. I mean, you get to interact with patients or whatever, but just being under somebody in a building, like, I like to spread my wings and fly and be outdoors and do things how I want them to be done. So definitely walk in your purpose. So some other things that I have on here, influencer, I would definitely consider myself as an influencer. Subscribe. I wanted to get, as you can see, it says 50K up here. Last year I wanted to get 50K subscribers, or now y'all are called the B.O.M.B Squad. Okay, so that didn't work. I'm hoping this year I can get 50K B.O.M Squad members, because why? We are the realest squad on the internet. Like, I kid you not. I want to have 1 million subscribers eventually, but no, that's what we're gonna say. In 2019, we're gonna hit 1 million subscribers. If we don't, hopefully we at 50K, but if we don't, at least we're growing. So just keep positivity in mind, but I do want to hit 1 million subscribers. So keep that in mind. Definitely subscribe to my channel, okay? Join the B.O.M Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. As you can see, I have Maybelline and CoverGirl on here. I definitely want to be sponsored by Maybelline and CoverGirl. Whatever one comes first, okay? I've been using these products since high school, since I've started in makeup. That was like 10 years ago, y'all. So I've constantly been using CoverGirl and Maybelline products. In 2018, they did like my post. My top brands that I love, and they're affordable. Y'all know I'm all big on saving y'all some coins. So that is it for this section right here. I think we did pretty good in 2018. I did want to go viral, but that's gonna take some time to do. For 2019, for the Believe section, I want to keep doing what I'm doing. Consistency is key for me. Like, posting, getting videos up for y'all so y'all are entertained, getting sponsored by different brands. I would love to be sponsored by different brands. I feel like I have a lot to offer. So if I can work with different brands, that would be dope. Definitely getting my subscriber count up for this year. Let's work on getting 1 million this year. I know that's a stretch, because if you see the count that I am at right now, you're gonna be like, girl, you have a long way to go. But we have a whole year ahead of us. Anything can happen within this year. I just want to create like very creative videos for y'all. The other thing I don't want to happen while being an influencer is losing myself. Like, yeah, it's cool to create, you know, different videos from other influencers, but I definitely don't want to lose myself and try to like change what I'm doing and follow the trend, because, you know, life is a full circle. Like, the trend is always going to come back to where you started from. The next section is health. We have health and skincare right in here. So in 2018, my skin was popping ton, okay? I would say I did very well in taking care of my skin in 2018, and I definitely want to continue that in 2019. And for health, I think majority of the year I was like super lazy. I stopped working out, but for the last 2 months of the year, November and December, girl, I got right back on it. And I definitely want to continue that in 2019. I have a lot of like nutrition and food stuff on here and skin, so that's really self-explanatory. I just want to be healthy overall and just feel good about myself, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you look good. So another thing for health is in 2018, I was thinking about getting a breast reduction, because if you know me and if you see me, my boobs are so big. So I definitely want to still do my research with getting a breast reduction, and it's going to be costly, and hopefully God blesses me with the finances to get a breast reduction, okay? Because girl, these boobs is huge. Now I know what you're thinking, like, girl, just lose some weight. I'm already skinny, and I played sports throughout high school, but I was very like a gym freak in college. And my boob size is the same. It doesn't go down, okay? I've tried everything. It doesn't go down. Now we have to take surgical methods at this point. So the next section is live. I definitely need to do this a lot more. So the live section, I definitely want to live a lot more. Not recklessly, because, you know, I'm a rough bitch. And we only got so many coins that we can use. So I definitely want to travel out the country more. It's so funny because I literally was texting my friends and I was like, I want to go to Paris this year. Not forgetting that this was on my vision board, me putting Paris on here. So definitely, like, I want to go to Paris. I'm going to Madrid this year in April. And I'm doing a lot of like domestic traveling as well. I'm going to Miami, I'm going to Nashville. Last year, I went to Panama. I did go to Miami. I went to DC, Vegas. But I did a lot more like domestic travel. I want to do more international travel. And I want to do like creative, like international travel, like having content for y'all that's like travel wise. So definitely living out life. I have I have a map on here of different places, not necessarily saying these are the different places I want to go to. I have unforgettable moments, a passion for this. I have different quotes on here. I have live your best life. I don't know if you can see it, it's right here. Live your best life. So yeah, for live, I just want to go to new places, try new food, just see the different culture. I do want to go to Dubai this year as well. So we're gonna see. We're planting the seed for this year, and we're gonna actually see if it manifests. Okay? Look, I'm not saying this, you know, just to say it. I feel like it's actually going to happen. So the next section. This is the section I don't want to talk about. So the next section, as you can see, is love. I don't think we're gonna get that much in 2019. 2018, y'all know, I became single. Okay, didn't expect that to happen. When I was creating this in 2018, it didn't say break up with my boyfriend on here, but you know, things happen. I think this section will be good for a later year. Mainly I'm working on like internal love for myself, having love for myself, knowing my worth. I figured that out in 2018, okay? It was necessary that I figured that out. I think in 2019, self-love is still very very necessary. If it's not love for another being, make sure it's love for yourself. Make sure you got love for yourself. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you put yourself first. Literally, don't let anybody try to take your peace, make your peace a priority, okay? Because literally, people in this world will make you go psycho and crazy, and we ain't got time for that. I just have different quotes on here. It says, the making of a princess, because you know I'm a queen, and I want to be treated like a queen, and if you're not coming correct, I'm not, you just stop. I don't want it. I don't want it. Take it back. Turn now into forever. What's not to love? Happiness, laughter, black love. You know, I got a lot of stuff on here. Traveling with Bay. But we don't have a Bay, so we're traveling with myself. So yeah, that's it for the love section. I don't really want to go into detail. If you want to know what happened in my last relationship, I'll do a story time. Definitely leave a comment in the comment box below. It's very interesting. Like, it's very like Jerry Springer, like cheaters type of like situation, okay? Like, girl, the drama was real. Definitely get creative. Like, this shouldn't be like just like throw it on a poster board and throw it away for the next year. I'm gonna switch out the date for 2019. There's definitely a lot of things on here that I want to continue. So like I said before, don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. Be confident in what you do, because at the end of the day, it's you that is doing it. If you don't have faith in yourself, you're not gonna prosper. Like, I've learned that having faith in my craft and my career and trusting God and not rushing the process gets you far, and it makes you learn. And don't think you can just rush your process and not go through hard time or not learn, because the hard times is what makes you you in the end. If you guys enjoyed this video and this inspirational talk that we discussed, okay, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because remember, we're trying to hit 1 million this year, okay? I know where we at right now. I know. But it's up to the B.O.M Squad, because I feel the B.O.M Squad, we can do anything, because we are the realest squad on the internet. Like, I'm sorry to say. And if you haven't joined, join the B.O.M Squad, because we are the realest squad on the internet, okay? Also, leave a comment in the comment box below if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this one. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial, hair tutorial, or story time video. Bye, guys. I don't even know why I decided to put that on there, because Lord knows I can't even get dressed in an hour. Literally, we are starting from the bottom, now we here. It literally takes me like 2 hours for makeup only. Literally, if I lose this challenge,